Hi, this is the report for third assignment. So in this, I'll be demonstrating the hybrid cloud. So the crux of the solution is one VM is created and Flask simple Flask application is deployed on that. But the because of the application is so huge, it needs some more CPU or a memory. If CPU or a RAM crosses more than 75%, it should trigger another cloud EC2 machine which can handle the requests. So that's the crux here. In detail, I have did all the steps, installation, everything is present in the even in the GitHub also. But I'll just walk through here what is happening. You will see more detailed installation and all the things. So first I have created one virtual machine, that is MHVN1 VM1, and actually initially I started with 4 GB and all, but later increased to 8 GB because I'm using the bigger Ubuntu OS. Okay, later I installed all the necessary needed informations like Node I have installed, and Prometheus is mostly for capturing the information, and Grafana is for showing the CPU and memory. So you'll see here how I installed everything. You'll even see the like how I'm installed all the proofs in the further. Even I have did a stress test. All the code is present, and if you see that I have did set up a AWS free account. I'm trying because I'm mostly familiar with AWS, so that's the reason. And you will see more detailed or like more clear picture in GitHub also. So just have a look into that. And uh, yeah, so if you notice, so initially I started with if you notice this screenshot, right? uh, Maybe I'll show it here. So in Git, it's if you see, whenever there is a uh, more than 75% CPU is there, another instance will be triggered. So EC2 machine triggering will be there here. So actually my system is having less capacity, so even it reached at like 90% and it triggered already. So I'll just show you the same thing. You see here, yeah, you'll see here, right? It's CPU 99 and it triggered at the first only. So EC2 is instantly when I started monitoring, it was triggered, and even I was able to see same thing in the Grafana dashboard as well. So it will switch, like this Flask application will switch to the cloud. That's it. It is having every information and further full demonstration. But like the shots of videos will be there. Otherwise, it would have take more than 1 hour to showcase all those things. So you'll see all the proofs of how I installed and what is the conclusion. Everything is present, and it's a fully demonstration of hybrid cloud where application running on a VM, and it will switch to cloud, based on the need. And also, like I have did a stress test also, like it is not constantly more number of EC2 instance will be created. If in case that instance is overloaded, even the second instance is overloaded, then only even it starts to create new instance. Unless it will be not doing new instance creation. So that I took care. Thank you. You'll see more information or more proofs of installing all the steps and how it is there. Okay. So just notice here what I'm doing. All the necessary curl and git whatever is needed, I'm installing in first uh, terminal, and it's basically whatever is needed, right, to uh, like installation of all the Prometheus and Grafana and all. I'm installing in a system. Okay. Although if you notice that it's a starting, I installed in a Flask path, but I changed it later. That's it. Like if you notice, already many things are getting installed, and you will keep on seeing what I'm doing in a fast forward mode.
Now Grafana is installing now. in this VM, uh, I have installed Prometheus and Grafana, and Node is installed here. And if you see, all are success. Okay, if you see that Grafana is already installed properly. Admin password should be admin. Maybe password. I'll just admin. So just observe here what's happening. So CPU usage and memory usage of a VM is monitored here. Okay, so I think I can view. Yeah, so just notice what's happening. I can select the last 5 minutes and I can see memory usage and the CPU usage. observe here what is happening. As soon as the threshold of CPU is crossed, EC2 instance is launched, and just keep on noticing the CPU usage on VM is getting reduced, and even we can see our Grafana, the dashboard. Every like you just notice that it is decreasing, and maybe I can show you. This is Prometheus where the data is captured, and this is where memory and CPU utilization, and so this is how the new instance is created. Maybe what I'll do one thing. Let me delete this manually. Let's see what will happen. I'll delete it. Okay, and what I'm expecting is another instance should come. Let's see what will happen. Maybe I'll start from the beginning. This is generating a security profile. Okay, this is just making sure connection is established to my AWS. Okay, its connection is successful. What I'll do is I'll just take this command. This is where I'm monitoring my Flask, this Flask app. Okay, so let me clear. Just I'll run this. So if I start, see it started. 79% CPU utilization is there, so it started. So cloud burst completed. I just deleted the EC2 instance, right? If you remember, so it should launch another instance. Let's see what will happen. It will take a time, but yeah, you see it's initializing. So it's new instance is kicked off. A3A8C. So 3A8C is started. Yeah, you see this? And what will happen? The CPU utilization in VM will be keep on reducing. So we'll just wait for some more time. Yeah, just notice memory is keep on reducing, right? Because the traffic can now be routed to EC2 machine because it started running. You just notice. I'll just refresh it. You know, yeah, it's running. The status will become. This is old one. So I'll just replace this 3A8C and we'll just keep on monitoring this one. You see, this is keep on reducing. Okay, that's it. Thank you.